teens, this is Sarah with the Pulaski County Public Library Teen Department. Today we're going to learn how to make a fabric sunglasses case. So you'll need a fat quarter, some scissors, permanent marker, and ruler, and batting to use as the lining. So the first thing you'll do is cut out 7.5 by 7.5 inches out of your fat quarter. And then for the batting, I used 7.25 inch. And then what you'll do is this will actually be laid out flat, and you're going to put the batting on the top, and then the two pieces of fabric will be facing each other, so you'll see the wrong side of the fabric. And then what you'll do is just sew, actually you'll fold it in half and cut like a curve at the bottom, and then unfold it flat again, and then sew around the edges, and then leave about a 3 to 4 inch opening at the top so you can flip it inside out. So then you'll flip it inside out, and once you flip it inside out, you're going to sew around all the edges. You'll tuck that opening in so you can sew around all the edges again. And then you're going to fold it in half. And when you fold it in half, you'll leave this opening at the top and just sew from the top all the way around the bottom. And then there's your opening for your sunglasses. And that's what it looks like. Thanks. See you next time.